Very good morning, children. Today we are here for the chapter 2 exercise. So today we will do the questions of the same exercise, that is C. Name the following. Chapter 2. As you know, we have discussed and I have explained all the topics of chapter 2, food and health, but still I will explain it after completing my exercise portion. So children, let us start the question number C. Name the following. As you know, the diseases, the kind of diseases, their symptoms, we have learned all these things. So the exercises are based on these diseases and on these topics. So the first question, name the following, is the disease caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. So you have to tell me the name of the disease which is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. So you remember the chart? Remember the chart of the diseases? Yes. So that is very important. I told you already told you, right? So the कौन सी disease विटामिन B1 की deficiency से होती है? You have to write down the name. So due to the deficiency of vitamin B1, a disease name beriberi. A disease beriberi occurs. So this is the name of the disease which occur due to the deficiency of vitamin B1. Children, I hope you understand the meaning of this word deficiency. It means कमी. So question है, विटामिन B1 की कमी से कौन सी डिजीज होती है? So answer will be beriberi. This is the name of the disease. So please learn it. Next question is, it improves our blood circulation and tones up our muscles. So you have to tell me by which process we can improve the blood circulation and we can make our muscles strong and we can make our muscles tone. So only by the exercise. If you do the exercise, your muscles become stronger and toned, whereas in the whole body the blood circulation will improve or will be good, because the working of heart will be improved. Our heart become more stronger and it will work more faster. That is why blood circulation improves by the exercise. So एक्सरसाइज की वजह से हमारा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन, बॉडी में जो ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन है, जो ब्लड हमारी बॉडी में मूव कर रहा है फ्रॉम हेड टू टो, सो दिस इज डन बाय द एक्सरसाइज. सो हु विल इम्प्रूव आवर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन? So exercise will improve our blood circulation. Now the next question is the undigested part of plant food. So I hope you all know that is roughage. Roughage is the undigested part of plant food. Roughage is the undigested part of plant food. Plant food का कौन सा part undigested होता है, जो कि डाइजेस्ट ईजिली नहीं होता है? दैट इज रफेज और डाइटरी फाइबर्स, जो कि फ्रूट्स, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, सैलड, होल सीरियल्स, इन सब में पाया जाता है. ओके, सो रफेज इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. डोंट वरी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन द चैप्टर 2 अगेन. प्लीज टेल मी विच आर द टॉपिक्स. जो कि आपको क्लियर नहीं हुआ है अभी तक, मैं फिर से एक्सप्लेन करूँगी, बट वो आप मुझे इन्फॉर्म करोगे, लिख कर रखेंगे अपने अपने टॉपिक्स और मुझे आप बताओगे. ओके, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2 डिजीजेस कॉज्ड बाय बैक्टीरिया. ओके, सो हियर द डिजीजेस, आगे हमारा डिजीज़ वाला पोर्शन, जिसमें कि पूछा गया है कौन से 2 आपको डिजीज़ के नेम लिखने हैं जो कि बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू स्प्रेड होता है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट इज cholera and second is typhoid. So cholera and typhoid are the two diseases which are spread or caused by the bacteria. Means these two diseases are bacterial disease, जो कि बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू फैलती है. That is why we are saying bacterial disease. जो disease वायरस के थ्रू फैलती है, they are termed as viral disease. So next question is the insect which spreads malaria. कौन से इंसेक्ट से मलेरिया स्प्रेड होता है? सो आंसर इज फीमेल एनोफिलीज मॉस्किटो. So this is the answer of name the following question. Now move the question number D. We will start question number D here. So the question number 1, what is balanced diet? So you all know balanced diet. Balanced diet is the diet which contain all the nutrients and all the food groups in the proper amount and for maintaining our good health. So it is balanced diet. So the diet which contains all the nutrients in adequate amount required for the healthy functioning of our body is known as balanced diet. I am repeating again the same answer. The diet which contains all the nutrients. It means all type of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These all nutrients, when they are present in adequate amount and they are required for the healthy functioning of our body, is known as balanced diet. So it is very important question, children. Please learn it by heart. Now the next question number 2. Question 2 is, what are deficiency diseases? Name 3 deficiency diseases. So deficiency disease means कौन सी डिज़ीज़ ऐसी है जो किसी भी न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी से होने वाली डिज़ीज़ है. तो किसी न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी से होने वाली डिज़ीज़ डेफिशिएंसी डिज़ीज़ कहलाती है. सो हियर इज़ द आंसर. Some non-communicable diseases are caused due to lack of particular vitamins or minerals in the body. Such diseases are called deficiency diseases. Like some non-communicable diseases, मतलब these are not communicable diseases. ये एक दूसरे को टच करने से नहीं फैलती हैं. They are caused due to the lack of particular vitamins or minerals in the body. And such diseases are called deficiency diseases. ये lack means कमी. तो किसी भी विटामिन्स और मिनरल्स की कमी से होने वाली डिजीज़ डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज़ कहलाती है. ओके. The examples are scurvy, rickets and goiter. These are the names of 3 deficiency diseases. Scurvy occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin C, whereas rickets occur due to the deficiency of vitamin D, and goiter occurs due to the deficiency of iodine. So these are the deficiency diseases. Now the next question is, how are carbohydrates useful to our body? Write 2 sources of carbohydrates. So you all know we have categorized our all nutrients into energy giving, into body building and into body maintaining. So energy giving nutrients are carbohydrates and fats. Here the questions in the question it has been asked the role of carbohydrate, or how the carbohydrates are useful. So for doing, answer is, for doing any work we need energy and carbohydrates provide energy to work and play. So this is the answer. For doing any work we need energy and carbohydrates provide energy to work and play. 2 sources of carbohydrates are rice and sugar. 2 sources of carbohydrates are rice and sugar. Now the next question is, what are nutrients? What are nutrients? Write 2 sources of each nutrients. So you know nutrients are the chemical substances which are present or which are essential for maintaining the good health. So definition will be, nutrients are the substances which are essential to maintain the good health of the body. There are 5 major nutrients which are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So the sources we get carbohydrates are found in rice and sugar, fats are present in butter and ghee, proteins are present in peas, eggs, meat, chicken, etc. Vitamins are found in carrots, cereals, oranges. Here children see मैंने यहाँ पे oblique का साइन किया है, मीन्स आप इनमें से कोई भी दो ऑप्शन लिख सकते हो. ओके, नाउ द लास्ट वन इज मिनरल्स, apple, spinach, milk. So again oblique sign is here. Apple, spinach और milk, इन तीनों में से कोई भी दो लिखना है. Okay, I hope you have understood all the explanation of the question. Beta, you have to write down all these questions in your copy in a neat and clean way. Thank you for this, and this is all for today. Thank you.